What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. NEWLINK.
Blessings, viewers and subscribers. Big up in yourself, man. I don't know, so they're attacking boss. They are NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And viewers and subscribers, you see death is a thing, you know, people. As me I tell you, you know. When death come in, you never know the minute, the time, the hour, the second when death will just come, people. You can't be strong, healthy, hearty, do something we do on a daily basis, people. Enjoying yourself, you understand? Chilling with friends. Just do something we know we are doing in your leisure time, people. But you never know, people, when that thing named death will just come right there and knock you down. Well, my viewers and subscribers, it is about a sad passing, people. You understand? Of a former national player for Jamaica, people. Or you want to say a former reggae boy, people. Who goes by the name Tremaine Stewart, or the nickname people where many know him as Tata. Well, my viewers and subscribers, I'm telling you, it's really a sad one to know that, you know what I mean, a very talented youth, you know what I mean, a very youth who stand out, even though he's not playing right now, people, for the reggae boys, but still playing football locally in Jamaica, a youth to represent other part, the country, other parts, you understand, over in a Europe, people, and play for club and them something there, and sad for no people, the youth just gone, so, this morning, them say, after he was playing soccer in a Spanish town, people. Well, I have an article right now, my viewers and subscribers, you understand? And I also have a clip just to show a look of respect to this youth, people. For a goal, when he used to play for Waterhouse, him they score a very brilliant goal, people. I'm just going to show you a piece of the look of clip, you understand, so you can see how this youth was really a real talent. Tremaine Stewart, Jaja sees and Jaja knows. Watch this clip, my people.
Tremaine Stewart. Waterhouse 2, Cavalier 0. I told you beforehand.
Well, my viewers and subscribers, see, now I have the article and I'm going to read it about the passing of this former national player for Jamaica, Tremaine Stewart, people, otherwise called Tata. Don't be holding FC forward. Tremaine Stewart passed away after collapsing while playing football in his community of Garden Pen, St. Catherine on Sunday morning. The news understands that the 33-year-old attacker was taken to the Spanish Town Hospital where he was pronounced dead. Stewart formerly played for Norwegian club Alsunds FK and finished side Rovaniemi Polosira before returning home to play for Portmore United in the 2016-17 Jamaica Premier League season. He left Portmore the following season for Waterhouse and helped them to consecutive Premier League finals 2018 and 2019. He last represented Waterhouse in the 2019-20 season, which was cancelled because of the coronavirus pandemic. He joined NEWLINK for the 2020-21 season but was unable to kick a ball officially for his new club as domestic football is yet to be approved in the island. Stewart also played 12 times for the senior national team and scored 2 goals. Jaja sees, Jaja knows, my viewers and subscribers. Zane, this youth was a real talent, people. You understand? And when I say people, just to tell you, the man final moments, people, was doing what he loved. The game of soccer in his community, people. So you know normally, him have him bridging them people in the early morning, you understand, they want to go kick some ball and thing and go roll a couple of ball and thing, you know. Them link up on about, say, Tata, rolling them link and the bridging and them, you know, for them thing up, people, because, you know, him still want to keep the leg warm, because him not know when the season go really start back, people, you know what I mean, and him just gear up himself and always stay fit and them thing there, and for no say, yo, him go there, and dep on the field, people, and them say him just collapse. Basically, when the news is coming to NEWLINK, them saying catch a heart attack, my viewers and subscribers in, and which, you know, we have a medical condition inside, people, you not even know. One day, yo, it just sad, my viewers and subscribers, and I can see where so much love is pouring out on Facebook for this young man, people. A lot of love. Zine, people are posting picture and I say, yo, is this really true? And I ask question, is he really gone? Is Tremaine really not here? You know what I mean? I have seen a lot of people. I have seen farmer coach who coach him already. I pour out them love, I pour out them support, and I say, yo, them can't believe because this youth was a real talent. Zine? So, viewers and subscribers, all me can say is, man, you know, Jamaica, we see man out there. Zine, is like they don't appreciate life. And this man right now, people, him want to live life. Zine, that's something where him do where him love. Football, people enjoying himself. I wait for your next season start. Zine, but lot of man out there, people who will live like them not deserve to live because them not want life, because them not make no use of life. Zine, only thing them do people is try to destroy other people's life. Zine, and see a talent youth of people, talented youth, and him just comes a boom, just gone like that. I play some ball, and viewers and subscribers, all me can say, people, we have to just be careful out there, you know. We have to just love our brothers, love our sisters on a daily basis, people. Because me say it all the time, you know, and that's how we keep on say these things back and back. We never know the minute or the hour when the person we want to be beside us, the closest people, when they were just gone. See it? And you just get that. You see your time move fast. Time really move fast, viewers and subscribers. Just think about it. Remember when the pandemic started in the last year, right? And you cannot believe it's over here now, and we've been living like this, wearing these masks, going through these restrictions, these lockdown, these curfew. You see your time moving fast? You see what is going on, and people still fail to realize what time we are living in. See a talent they gone, you know. A youth who represented Jamaica 12 times, scored 2 goals for your country, gone. Salute and Shelton, they gone the other day. Zine, it's sad, people. Really, really sad. Zine, all me can tell you no out there. Listen what me I say. A lot of people at times been, they would think and then we say this, then we say that. Look here, trust in the Almighty. You may not take up your Bible and go church Sunday or go Saturday, but put your trust and faith in the Almighty, because the Almighty is real. Zine, all me can tell you no is real. You get what I'm saying? Tremaine, you're gone now, brother. And me know say you coach them, your coach a moan, when new coach a done be all in a moan. The team we assigned to a moan now, your past coach, your friends, your family, everybody a moan. The national team a moan. But all I can say, youth, Zine, may your soul rest in peace. And I send out all my love and my condolences to the family and friends. And just to imagine his friends that was dear people, and see when him collapse and rush him to the hospital, people, and for no say, yo, that was the final moment then get for have a chance with him. The final moment when then get for roll 2 ball with him. The final moment when then get for just say, yo, my brother, maybe thumbs up, maybe ding off a fist. You understand? Just the final moment there. Because what? You don't know the minute, you don't know the hour, you don't know the second when, yo, death will just come right there, so. And just take your way. So viewers and subscribers, you don't know this are the attacking boss man, NEWLINK from NEWLINK production, people. And if you don't subscribe, please do subscribe now and hit that notification bell so as I drop a video you will get them. Follow me on Instagram, people, and Facebook, and please me I beg you to follow the new Instagram, the people, and Twitter also, you understand? Because you don't know a lot of video what I can't put over here, so people over there, so them they even do, you know, you have to DM me and thing, but yo, the DM a blow up, you know, but just big up in yourself, my people, and rest in peace again, Tata. You don't know. Kick some ball, my brother. Same place. You don't know. In a heaven. That's how we say. Peace out, my people. Big up.